Yeah, so apparently monkeys have been
Fuck you.
monkeys have been terrorizing residents in a Japanese city, like going to the extreme of targeting children and babies, and even like hanging outside of preschools to grab them. This is all playing out in the city of, and I'm gonna botch this name. My apologies to everyone.
Yamaguchi.
Yeah, Yamaguchi in Southwest Japan, where officials say troops are carrying out attacks since the 8th of July, biting and crawling on humans, sneaking up into nurseries, trying to like snatch babies, and it's a huge fucking problem. Apparently, they've attacked 58 people in the city, and now they're hiring specialized units to hunt and tranquilize the monkeys. With about 15 monkeys already being caught and some even being killed.
Some Planet of the Apes type of stuff.
And here's the thing about it. And some people think, oh, if you just give them food, they'll leave you alone. They're not going for the fucking food.
They want humans.
They don't want fucking food. They want your ass.
Yeah.
Planet of the Apes has begun.
Apparently, they even assaulted a woman who was doing laundry in her home.
Oh,
and
man.
When I mean assault, I mean like they tried.
Dude, did you
doing laundry sucks enough already.
Just sitting there in the bottom of that damn window, just like, let me in. Like, bro, what? And like, I reiterate what I said the previous episode. These animals are tired of our shit,
dude. And these monkeys are going ham. They're sending people to the hospital with bites, bruises, fucking like cuts and shit, scratches. Nobody knows where the fuck they're coming from.
We got elephants and bison putting people on t-shirts, goats killing old ladies.
Oh damn!
Monkeys terrorizing
after a good night.
Huh? What? I didn't hear Rick. What did you say? What did you say, Rick?
I'm sorry, that's a little gold you just had to listen to.
God damn it, I think that's... He'll tell me later when he remembers.
Oh, man.
But yeah, these animals are tired of our shit.
Oh, definitely. Dude, I mean...
If you're an audio listener, watch the video.
My favorite part is the fact that Jose laughs about it, but he has no idea what the fuck is going on.
I really have no clue. Ricky's like making weird gestures and shit. I don't know if they're towards me, ladies and gentlemen, or if he's just like doing it to our visual audience. But yeah, he's hitting on me. This happens quite a bit.
It's that nervous laugh. I have no idea what's going on.
That's definitely him. That's definitely him right now.
Oh,
anyways, do any of you guys have anything else to talk about?
Nah.
Good.
Anything you got, Marcus?
No, that's it.
I appreciate it. I have no idea what it's like to be like in communication with people from another fucking galaxy.
and there's another power term.
I'm jumping off the ring again. Fuck that.
All right.
Hey, they didn't pay me last time. God damn it.
All right. Well, good luck, everybody.
All right, Rick. Thanks for hosting, man.
Thank you, bro.
Have a good night.
See you
later, guys.
Friday for that fight. Peace, everybody.